Welcome to our guide on archiving a chat on Telegram using your PC. Follow these steps to efficiently manage your chats. Step 1. Begin by opening Telegram on your PC. Step 2. Locate the specific chat you wish to archive within your chat list. Step 3. Right-click on the chat you want to archive and select the Archive option from the context menu. Archiving a chat in Telegram allows you to declutter your chat list while preserving the chat's content for future reference. Archived chats are moved to a separate section, making it easier to focus on active conversations. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly archive chats on Telegram using your PC. This organization method helps you prioritize current chats and maintain a streamlined messaging experience. Remember, archived chats can be easily accessed and restored whenever needed, ensuring you can retrieve important conversations without cluttering your main chat list. Take control of your Telegram chats by utilizing the archiving feature to keep your messaging platform neat and organized.